Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Roblox ping spikes. Let's get started. First, open the Roblox app on your computer. Then click on the search bar on your computer and search for Roblox Player Beta. When it appears in the search results, right-click on it and select Open File Location. In the folder that opens, right-click on the Roblox Player shortcut again and click Open File Location. This will take you to the installation folder, where the Roblox Player Beta application will be highlighted. Now, right-click on Roblox Player Beta and select Properties. In the Properties window, click on the Digital Signatures tab. Select the available digital signature, then click on the Details button. In the next window, click View Certificate. Now click Install Certificate. Select Current User, then click Next. Choose Automatically Select the certificate store based on the type of certificate and click Next. Click Finish to complete the certificate installation. If you see the message, "The import was successful," click OK. Now click OK to close each of the remaining windows. After that, restart Roblox and check if the ping spikes have been resolved. And that's it. If you like the video, like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more helpful tutorials.